How to monetize TikTok account. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Open your TikTok, tap on profile, tap on this 3-line menu bar, tap on creator tools. Make sure you are a creator to use this. Here you can see monetization option. Tap on view all. Then there are certain criterias you need to meet in order to get your TikTok account monetized. There are several programs from which you can get your TikTok account monetized. Either you can get it from subscribing or from video gifts. In order to get it from subscription, tap on subscription, then tap on OK. Here you need to have met these following criteria. Since I do not have met the criteria, I will not get this feature. Next is buy video gifts. If you want to earn by using video gifts, tap on this. Enable this gifts feature, but also I do not have these criteria met. I do not have 10,000 followers. If you do and meet all the criteria, you can simply turn on gifts. You can also get notified when you are eligible, like this. Select if you want all programs or recommended programs only. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.